Can you answer these questions? Example 1. This is a quadratic equation because the unknown is squared. To solve it, we use the inverse of squaring. We take the square root to both sides. On the left-hand side, the square and the square root cancel each other out, leaving y. On the right, the square root of 49 equals 7. But remember, quadratics have two solutions, so y equals positive or negative 7. We can write it with the short notation as well. In example B, here's another quadratic. So we take the square root to both sides. Completing the left-hand side, the square root and the square cancel each other out. So we're left with just h. On the right-hand side, the square root of 121 equals 11, giving us a final answer of h equaling positive or negative 11. In example C, we're asked to round to one decimal place. This is still a quadratic. We use the square root again to both sides. When we complete the left-hand side, the square root and the square cancel out, so we're left with just r. On the right-hand side, the square root of 40 is 6.32455, and the decimal still continues. We're asked to round to one decimal place. Therefore 3 is our target digit. It stays a 3 or moves up to a 4. We check the digit straight after and see if it is lower than 5. Since it is a 2, it stays a 3. Therefore we have our final answer of r equaling positive or negative 6.3. In example D, we need to write our solution as a surd. Remember, a surd is leaving our answer exact, so we don't round if our solution is a decimal. To keep your answer exact, we leave the answer as the specific value under the square root. Let me show you. Since we're dealing with a quadratic, we take the square root to both sides. Remember, there will be two solutions, the positive and the negative value. Finally, we leave it as p equaling positive or negative root 71. This gives us the exact answer because we didn't round. You now know how to answer exam questions. However, the next lesson is equations and formulas. Watch this next video to get the best visual demonstration of this skill.